In order to make a drone, first we need to create some sketches. For that, I will make a rectangle of 65 by 15 millimeters. Then I will create a line 150 by 150 and at 45-degree angle. Then I'll create some structures like this. So since our drone is fairly symmetrical, so we can create one part of it and then mirror it 4 times, so that will be easier. So we can drag these points and adjust, and then I'll mirror this. Select these lines and choose mirror line, this middle one. Then let's adjust this rapidly. So after we finish, we will finish the sketch and then let's extrude. So I will select all these closed paths and extrude it -3 millimeter, and then from this browser drop down I will bring back the sketch and extrude the remaining part. Remember, the operation should be new body, and then we need to create some holes for the motor to fit in. So this is the place where the blades will be present. So let's make it 8 millimeter in diameter. Let's adjust it. Then we need to make some holes for the screws to fit in. So for that I'll make those circles, and then I'll use circular pattern to create 4 of these circles. Then I'll finish the sketch, and using extrude tool we can cut this. So the other sketch is creating some problems, so I'll turn that off, and using extend type to object we can cut a hole through this material, and then in the body of drone let's make some support. So we can extrude this shape upward, let's say 20 millimeter, and the operation should be new body. And so we finish. Now we need to mirror this mirror plane, and the operation is join, and then we can do this again. Make a crossing window, choose a mirror plane, and with join operation press OK. Now we can copy this below part to 20 millimeter, and then let's make a cutout in front so that we can put any camera or anything like that. For that I will use extrude command to cut. Then we can save this drawing as demo drone in the project that we created. We save it, and as we can see on top, the demo drawing is created.